Hi. Now, my teacher once told me that every time na I thoughts nga moabot sa mga nauna, especially if you consider it to be a good one, write it down right away. Kaya nga naman, if dili na mo na isulat, poof, mawala. Then sayang ang thought. And I think this is the modern way of jotting down notes. I was just thinking, have you ever realized or have you even noticed how troubled unsa ta kagubot karon now that we don't make the Bible as the basis of our choices and decisions? We oftentimes maglalista about food, maglalista about communities, and most especially kani pinaka always na akong makita sa social media. Maglalista aning pulong ginatawag nato love or gugma. Unsa ang tinuod nga interpretation ani, so on and so forth. Ani magud? If dili magud nato himuong basis ang Biblia sa mga prinsipyo diri sa kalibutan, tendency ana is that ang atoang tawhanon nga pagbati or ang atong human feelings ang mopatigbabaw. Unsa akong gusto ma-feel, unsa akong gusto nga reaction, unsa akong gusto madawat. And once kaning human feelings ang patigbabaw, it is always centered on me. Now remember, every time mo mapatigbabaw ning mga feelings, there will always be, since time, there will always be trouble and there will always be consequences. Remember, unsay nahitabo, when Eve felt like gusto siya ma-open niyang mata, gusto niya mo tilaw ani nga prutas, and perhaps, maybe like God. Kultura, trabaho sa ako. Bye-bye.